Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of intermediate algorithm scripting series. A spinal tap case is the problem. Convert a string to a spinal case. A spinal case is all lower case words joined by dashes. For example, here this sentence contains several spaces. Instead of tab, we have to have dashes between them, and all the words should be in lowercase. Then a string dot split, and we will split using regular expression backslash s plus 4, and then join with dash and then to lower case. Okay, and in the second test case, capital is being used. Let's make it so that there is a space between two words wherever capital comes. So str equal to str dot replace, and in replace we will have a regular expression which will use capture group A to Z. A not, we have to make it class. Okay, A hyphen Z, and whole thing is global, means repeated search, and then we will give a space between the two group. Okay, and we will also have to use for underscore. That means here we will put underscore plus, okay, capital space hyphen. Okay, let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.